Alright, so this is my desk. It's Ikea special. Nothing wrong with Ikea. I keep kind of bashing Ikea in my videos, but it's just basically super thin. I don't know if it's like cardboard or actual wood, but I've got a big old computer there. It's one of them fancy ones with the LEDs, because that's how I roll. And I got a big old woofer back there and backup power supply. Awesome wiring. I'm really good at wiring, you can tell. So I want to renew this. I want to make it a little more user-friendly. I want to get the monitors up off the desk. I want to get the microphone its own home, get the speakers kind of raised up, and let's see what we can get done.
Close revolution.
The 3 for me only at Chili's serves up more deliciousness for just $10.99 than you'll find anywhere else. I mean, have y'all seen those fast food prices lately?
Megan the Stallion. You can call me Mother Fitness. We are not gymming like this no more. Welcome to Planet Fitness, where everybody can work out in their own way.
Join during the Big Fitness Energy Sale. Deal extended to January 19th.
Well, nobody has been seed upending the number 2 seed Cowboys. Dallas still lead.
Rundowns are either down in distances or the score.
Those are garbage. And here's the final product. So I ended up with a very beautiful maple and walnut desk. This is just plywood, but it's got a solid maple border around it to cover up that edge grain. I ended up keeping that shelf. I was originally going to rebuild the drawer box and build new drawers myself, but these are perfectly functional. I thought, why waste the time and money? I got better things to do. Kept the legs too. They were perfectly functional, so I kept them. The computer's hung up there nice. Looks nice and clean. Got the woofer kind of hiding behind there. Back there I've got the backup power supply and my extra data drives. I love cable-free underdesk. The monitors I installed on a double monitor arm, so those came out nice and clean. I got room underneath the monitors for those. I've got one speaker mounted on that shelf, and I'm gonna build a small little speaker rack for that, or speaker stand for that speaker. Got a nice on-desk microphone boom here, so I can get the mic in front of my face. Another thing I'm gonna build still is a headphone stand, so I can stand up my headphones on the desk. But overall, I'm very happy with how this came out. Very clean. Let's see if I can keep it that way, but for now, there you go.